So today I'll be showing you how you can see someone's phone number on their Instagram account. So I'll show you two ways of doing this, and it mainly depends on what kind of Instagram account they have and how they've chosen to share their phone number. So just go to anybody's Instagram profile. So for instance, if I go to that particular user, some people could have added their phone number to their Instagram bio, and you can just read the phone number from there and then maybe memorize it and use it somewhere else. Now, some people will actually add a contact button on their Instagram profiles, especially for the professional Instagram accounts. So you can actually tap on contact and then you can see their phone number. So you can either directly call them or send them a text message. But more importantly, you can actually see their phone number there. And if you want to call them, you can just go ahead and tap on that phone number and you will make a phone call to that person. Okay, so those are the two ways you can see someone's phone number on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.